Hi, Martin here with another video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about 5 Mac trackpad gestures that can help to boost your workflow and productivity. So let's get started. So number 1, the first gesture that we're going to learn is how to open up Launchpad. So all the applications appear within Launchpad, so it's one of the most convenient ways to find the app you're looking for. So all you need to do is pinch with 4 fingers and the Launchpad will appear. Okay, so gesture number 2. So if there's a situation where you've got just a whole host of windows and screens open at the same time, sometimes you just want to quickly get to your desktop, and you can actually do that by pinching your thumb and 3 fingers apart like this. Once you do that, your desktop will be shown. It will move the windows and screens out the way, and you can obviously get them back by pinching inwards instead of out. Okay, so gesture number 3. Again, I've got a whole host of windows open, but I'm not actually sure which ones are open. So if I want to see all the windows that I currently have open, then I can use mission control by simply swiping up with 3 fingers on the trackpad. This will organize all the windows open so I can see which windows I have open and then quickly navigate to the one that I want to use. Okay, so the next gesture is one that people may know, but is an incredibly useful one when using a Mac and having a trackpad. So if you're on a browser, you can actually switch between windows that you maybe had open. So if you want to go forwards or back on a web browser, just use 2 fingers and swipe to the left to go back, swipe to the right to go forwards, and you can instantly reopen any website that you've been browsing. Okay, and our final gesture on Mac is the ability to rotate images and PDF. So I have a preview open here. So with 2 fingers on my Mac, I can simply rotate my fingers and I'll be able to rotate my image. So there you have it, 5 gestures on Mac. Hopefully there was something in there that you will find useful going forwards. If there was, please give the video a like, comment below and subscribe for more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.